hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on the cell, man. I don't know, so they attacking Basti and NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So my people, a lot of people maybe not go happy with what me I go say. A lot of people not go feel good with what me I go say. And a lot of people will understand. And they must say NEWLINK a real thing you attack. So what me I go talk about now, my viewers and subscribers, it's pertaining to this video where I say went viral, my people, with this female who
Big up to life.
Just go and suck a little lollipop. Put it on your mouth corner like that. When you lick, make the lollipop catch. Me a look, me a watch.
Yeah, look.
Like a football.
Yeah, watch.
Sorry.
Like no punch, I know me not go
You
punch.
punch, yeah, go.
Alright, so
1 this.
20. One, you know the chapters of life.
Don't play no other already, me know.
Big up God for the one, yeah?
Half cup.
Well, I'm
Big up everybody, you know? Thank God for life.
Half cup.
21.
Half cup.
Half cup.
Half.
1 cup.
Stop touching me the pussy.
Alright, so that's your power, Jesus Christ.
Blacks your power.
21.
them say I celebrate her 21 birthday and she managed to drink 21 cup of that bad, that strong Ryan never without a trace of Ryan never rum, my people. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. And for hear these fools, for hear these hassle in this video, my people, pushing her for drink it, my people, and sadly, my people, after she go her bed, them find her the next morning stiff. No joke about it, my people. So at the moment she was happy, she was drinking at my people, she was to thank Jah for live for see another one, God this, God that, my people. She was beginning out, my people. But these people around her, my people, who me know say, yeah, she hold it herself and she a drink it. But look at who knows the influence around it. And you all shall be all accountable. You all shall be blamed for this, people. Because from she consumed the first 5 cups, she already gone. And if you can look in the video and see, my people, this female, you know, she wasn't herself. She already drunk because consuming 21 cup, even though the cup wasn't full, my people. But with what I see in the cup, in the cup, my people, on a real level, that I got cut heartstring, it I got chip off the liver, my people, it I got bust up everything in that stomach there. This is what you call real never overproof rum. This is not something you should play with, my people. This is real thing. Look at a man just pull one rum buckle, my people. If you have a look at rum and throw looking at the carp, my people, and taste it and so happen to your tongue. If you like your tongue a scotch off, if you like it a burn it off, my people, and imagine what she done, my people, 21 cup. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. You're not talking about tequila, you're not talking about anything, you're talking the white Jamaican real never overproof rum. Honestly, my people, it is sad for no so right on her birthday, celebrating her birthday, my people. We should want to cheer up herself, she want to feel special upon her birthday, but not in this way. Honestly, better they get 21 man and make them the 21 things to your birthday. But on a real level, if you drink 21 cup of that something, the man, it's a real sad thing. And honestly, people, if I was there in person when she doing this with people, I would never agree to this. I would never did her and I push her for this because I'm not a fool. Me know other rum thing they got my people. And me telling say from she consumed the first 5 cup, baby, that was it for her. She wasn't herself. You understand? But these people, and you can't hear the man voice them in the video, were the one who pushing her, they're the one who cheering her on people. And once she get that cheer, they under the influence. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. What do you think going to hold her back? What do you think going to take her back, my people? But sadly, my people, it took her right to her grave. You understand? Them say she go her bed, my people. When she go her bed and when she wake up back, my people. Wake up back what? She never wake up back. So NEWLINK take back that. She never wake up back in the morning, my viewers and subscribers. They found her gone. And that just few days ago. Honestly, my people, it's sad. So today is Sunday, the September the 25th, my people, 2022. And just few days ago, like 2 days ago, this occurred. You know what I mean? Sad thing of people over there them saying a send catch in Jamaica. So female and for anybody who thinking about trying this or thinking about doing this, be careful. You know what I mean? Be careful. Don't try this. So them are not something for you play with the people. And with the advice nobody, no matter what type of rum, Not play with them something. This is rum. You have one life. You have your organs them inside and this thing will damage them. This thing will destroy them. You understand? So be careful. Please be careful. No joke about it. Be careful. So my people, more love, more respect, more blessings. And again, I just want to say, sadly, my condolences to the family of this female, 21 years old. She not living a life yet. You know what I mean? It's sad to know what, you know, she done, my people, and what really, it really sad to people. But, yo, we just want people to learn from this, people. And just be safe out there. You understand? And may our soul rest in peace, you know? But a real level, man, only Jah sees and he knows. So, my people, big up on yourself, stay safe. You don't know, one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Peace out. Big up. Blessings.